I cancelled an earlier video on Western weird bias due to the possibly harsh criticism of Paul Bloom. Centrally, his free Yale psychology lecture series repeated some false dogmas about the, in quotes, default human being the hero of his or her own story. I've pointed out repeatedly the irony that it is white elites who self-report as unequal, that is, despite an avowed interest in equality, using the basic metric of average, above average, or below average, they consistently report superiority over others. Japanese subjects, as a non-weird example, are much more likely to self-report around the average 50th percentile. However, I recently heard Bloom acknowledge weird bias in interviews. Perhaps he will rewrite the lectures he presents to white elites.